Stop wasting time. This is the best 1K per day side hustle you'll ever start. That's a bold claim, I know. But before you scroll away, let me tell you, it's beginner friendly. It requires zero tech experience, and it's helped women in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s finally build the income and freedom they've been chasing for years. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why the system works, how ordinary women are using it to earn online, and most importantly, how you can too. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to answer the question everyone always asks. Can someone like me really do this? The answer might surprise you. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been exactly where you might be right now, wanting more time, more income, and more breathing room. Without the stress, without the overwhelm, or feeling like I have to start all over again. I've always been chasing my dreams. I got many degrees, built businesses, and reinvented myself more times than I can count. Some of them brought me success and some of them left me struggling. But I never regretted following my own path. And when I reached a certain point in my 60s, when I needed more income to feel secure about retirement, digital marketing landed in my lap. I didn't understand it. I had zero experience. I didn't feel techy enough. But with the step-by-step system, real support, and community, everything changed. And that's why I'm here, to help you build confidence, clarity, and digital success one step at a time. Let's start with what makes the best side hustle for women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. And honestly, I wish someone would have told me this a lot sooner. What you need is a high demand product, one that people are already searching for, already buying, and already hungry for. We live in a world today that has gone digital. Most brick and mortar stores have a digital presence as well. Digital marketing is the way of the future. Selling products online, buying products online is the way the future is going. We also don't want to go to a place to work anymore. We want to work from home. We want to earn income from home. We want to be our own boss. We want to set our own schedule. And this is the product that is in high demand. The freedom, the lifestyle, being your own boss. That is in high demand. And what fills this high demand is a digital system, a digital product. And that is what we're talking about today. The system I follow uses digital products that people want immediately. Education, templates, toolkits, and trainings. Things people can download and use. No shipping necessary. No inventory. No customer service headaches. And because these products are in high demand, they have the potential to produce 300, 600, 900, and even 1,400 in 100% profits immediately. Imagine 3 of those in one day, or even one. That's why this is the fastest way to start earning without trial and error. The best part is that you don't have to create the product. The product, it's done for you. You simply plug into the system and learn and earn as you go. And if you're thinking, but what if I've never sold anything? Stay with me because the next part is going to put your mind at ease. Ready to learn more and see how this all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. Now, here's the part that shocked me the most when I first started. Your business keeps working even when you're not. This system uses automation, and it's a game changer. You get your own automated digital funnel pre-built. It captures leads, sends emails, and guides people through what they need to know and helps answers questions for you. So while you're having lunch, while you're traveling, while you're playing with your grandkids, your business is working for you behind the scenes. This is why so many women say, I can finally breathe. You're not hustling, you're not chasing, You're not cold calling. You're simply letting the system do the heavy lifting. And if the word system scares you, don't worry. You get complete step-by-step instructions on how to set everything up, even if you've never done anything online. Even if you think you're not tech savvy, this is truly designed for beginners. You might be wondering, but how do I actually get people to see what I'm offering? This is where the magic happens. This side hustle uses attraction marketing. Instead of chasing people, you simply show what you are learning, what you're doing, and why it matters. You share bits of your journey, wins, lessons, and authentic moments. People relate to you, they trust you, and they become curious. And eventually they ask you how you're doing it. Your content becomes the magnet. No ads, no sales pressure, no begging people to buy. Just you showing up as yourself. And you don't even need to be on camera at first. That's something we ease you into later when you're ready. And trust me, attraction marketing works beautifully even with faceless posts. I'll explain why at the end of the video. Want to see how this all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact steps I followed to go from zero to earning online. Now, the next part is what helps you stay consistent without getting overwhelmed. The system includes a 2-hour daily blueprint so you always know exactly what to do. Not 10 hours, not hustling, not guessing, 2 hours. It's simple. It might look like this: 30 minutes of learning, 30 minutes of applying what you learn, 1 hour of posting, sharing, and creating light content. When you follow this blueprint, your skills will build fast. Your confidence increases, and your results, well, that's when you start to see magic. Consistency, not perfection, creates momentum. And if you're thinking, but what if I don't know what to say? If I run out of ideas? That's where the community comes in. This might be the part that matters most because it's the part most of us have been missing. You get community and mentorship. You get people walking the same path with you, cheering you on, people lifting you up when self-doubt sets in, people celebrating your wins, big and small. That's why I started my Digital Success Club. I help women gain clarity, confidence, style, and success. Because showing up online requires more than strategy. It requires belief, it requires identity, it requires support. You are not building this alone. You don't have to figure it out alone, and you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Finding yourself wanting this kind of growth and support? Join my Digital Success Club today and become one of the first 50 founding members. You will become an integral part of the community. Click the link below. Before I give you the next step, I want to ask you something. What's the real reason you've been afraid to start something new? Comment below. I would love to support you personally. Here's the truth. You're not out of time, you're not too old, and you're not behind. You're simply one decision away from a completely different future. This is the easiest, simplest, beginner-friendly 1K per day side hustle I've ever seen. And it's changing lives every single day. If you want to learn the exact system I use, get step-by-step guidance, and join the community of women creating real change, click the link below. Because your dreams didn't expire and neither did you. Now that you know the best 1K per day side hustle you'll ever start, you might want to learn how I make 3K per day selling digital products with no ads. It all starts by watching this next video, because when you pair it with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.